because I had such a hard time with it last semester. Okay, so when I see this thick endometrium, let's say it's not heterogeneous, what's going to be the diagnosis? If this endometrium is homogeneous, what is my diagnosis? What? No. 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 Endometrial hyperplasia. Endometrial hyperplasia. What this means is I have an overgrowth of endometrium. Okay. Tamoxifen. If I'm on an anti-estrogen drug for breast cancer, it's going to cause endometrial hyperplasia. Okay? But because it's heterogeneous, I'm going to measure it with and without measurements, with and without color. And now we have an endometrial cancer. Okay? An endometrial cancer. What lab is going to be elevated? Anything? What? Nope. What lab is going to be elevated? CA-125. Oh, CA-125. CA-125 is used for cancer of the female organs. Okay, CA-125. Okay, so without looking at the screen, T1 or T2? T2. Y'all are so smart. I always have to look at the screen. For some reason, my brain won't register. Okay, so I'm just as evolved as y'all are sometimes.
I read something the other day that the smarter you are, the more forgetful.
I love that. I'll remind everybody about that. Okay, so let's do a little bit of review. I'm going to start with you, Adelaide, and we're going to go like an S. Okay? Oops. Adelaide, what is this space called? Has two names. Here's my pubic bone. Here's my bladder. Here's my uterus. Here's my bowel. Nobody help her. It's this space right here. It's a double fold of peritoneum that fluid collects in.
Rectal.
No. Huh? Yes, it does start with an R. And you want to help her? Nope. No. 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 It's not your turn.
Oh, you said
Yeah.
anybody.
No. I said we're going to go this way.
Oh.
Okay. What is it, Laura? You're close. You're close.
R-I-G.
No, that's not how you spell it. Farnez?
It's Rick or something.
Almost.
I forgot the name.
Samin?
Is that space of Ritzy?
Space of Ritzis. Okay, space of Ritzis. Okay, what's another name for it? Retropubic. Isn't this your pubic bone? That's that bone right here. That's your pubic bone. Okay? So if you can't remember anything, retro meaning behind, pubic. Okay. So, Sophian, what is this space right here? It has two names. Sophia. No? Asil?
Anterior cul-de-sac.
Anterior cul-de-sac. What's another name for it, Uba? Think about it. This comes first, this comes second. This space right here, it's an anterior cul-de-sac. Jasmine? What is this space right here? Patricia? Yeah, use this, and then use this. No?
Anterior bladder?
Okay. One? No?
Is it a pouch?
Ready?
Ring a bell.
You gonna try it?
Ring a bell.
Oh gosh, we got a lot of reviewing to do.
Is it a pouch?
You remember what it is, Dewey?
Is it Douglas Bob?
No, no. Okay. No, Morris's pouch is up here. Morrison's pouch is up here. Retropubic space of Ritzis. Anterior cul-de-sac. Vesico, because the bladder is a vessel. Retrouterine space. Vesicle. My brain just went blank. My brain just went blank. Vesico-uterine space. Okay? Now behind, space of Douglas. Okay? Posterior cul-de-sac.
That's why.
Rectum, uterine space.
Where's the space of Douglas? Did you say?
Pouch of Douglas,
Pouch of
it's posterior uterus.
Cul-de-sac.
Here's my anterior body, here's my posterior body. How do I know that?
The spine.
The spine. Okay, so this is anterior, this is posterior. Everybody get out a pen and a piece of paper. Turn it in. Okay? Give me two names for this space, two names for this space, three names for this space, and turn it in. Anterior to posterior. Anterior to posterior. If you get them all right, they have to all be right, I'll give you an extra point on the test. If you miss one, you get no points on your test. This has two names, this has two names, this has three names. It's on the registry. You can have white socks. Those are great. done, I'll take it. You're missing one thing. Number 3 has 3 names. Huh? This one has 3 names. This one has 2 names. This one has 2 names. Ready? We're gonna call these pop points. Pop points. Since I'm not taking the workbook and I'm not taking the outline, I'm trying to help you out here.
Probably the ones that need it are the ones who can't remember.
Huh?
And probably the ones who need it are the ones who can't remember.
That's because I'm your teacher.
I don't have enough.
You don't have enough.
And this one.
Think, Dewey, think. Think of the space. Think of the space. It's the easiest way to remember. Use your medical terminology and you'll get it. What's medical terminology for this? What's medical terminology for this? And what's medical terminology for that? Use your medical terminology. Got it? Got it? No? Huh? Got it? Got it? Got it? Think. Oh, my brain hurts just feeling the energy in here. Oh, you'll move the coffee bar back here. I want to seal, you know it.
Yeah.
Oh, what a sweet face.